A routine traffic stop, one missed light, and a decision that changes everything.
How you doing, officer?
Good, man. How you doing?
Great.
So I'm obviously being with the Bunnell Police Department. Do you have your license and registration and proof of insurance, sir?
Yes, sir. There you go.
Thank you, boss.
Open the glove box, get the registration out?
Yeah, nothing crazy in there?
No.
Okay. So the reason I'm stopping you is you have no back lights on. Like your brake lights aren't on, your no tag lights. I don't know if it's set to like auto or something.
She set up where it was off, I'm sorry. It's supposed to be on auto.
Yeah, no worries.
Dang it.
All right, you're set.
Sorry, sir.
You okay?
Hey, can I call you right back? Mm-hmm. All right, thank you. It's my wife's car.
Okay. Where are you headed to?
Oh, I was just going over here to my buddy's house.
Okay.
Good. Can I look in here?
Yep.
I want you. There you go. Yeah, it's my wife, Sammy Taylor.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry about that, man. This is a new car. I didn't even know.
It's all good.
Apologize.
Your insurance?
I
think it's probably...
This is the RVS. This is my mortgage.
Okay.
I may have to get my wife to send that if you don't mind.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah, I'll have to get my wife to send that, man.
There's that.
I don't have that.
Okay. I'm gonna check your license real quick and I'll be right back, okay?
Yes, sir. Appreciate you.
Shawn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm gonna ask you a question real quick. Is there anything crazy in the car? Guns, knives, drugs, bombs, anything like that?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you have a marijuana card?
Yes, I do have. That's what you're smelling on me.
Okay. Where's that at? Do you have your card?
Yes, I have.
Do you mind if I see your card?
Yes, sir.
And is it in its original dispensary package?
No, sir.
Okay. Where's it at?
Right here beside me.
Do you mind if I see it?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Okay. So you know, having a card, it's supposed to be in its dispensary package.
Yes, sir, I do. The
To and from.
I'll be honest with you. My big King Corsos, they chewed on the bottle.
Okay.
So I have to put it in there until I get to the dispensary. The dispensary's not open until Monday. And I got off work today, so I haven't smoked or anything like that.
Okay. All right, just give me a minute, all right? Nothing else in the car?
No, sir. I promise you, I'm being honest with you.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, hang tight for
Yes,
me.
sir.
Yeah, so I pulled him over because he had no backlights when we were out on the west side, and it took me a minute to catch up to him. I finally caught him up here. So pulled him over. Obviously, I smelled weed in the car. So came back, ran his license. His license is good. So I asked him, I said, hey man, do you got anything illegal in the car? Guns, knives, drugs, bombs, anything like that? And he was like, you smell weed? And I was like, yeah, that's exactly what I'm asking. I said, do you have a marijuana card? He said, yes, I do. I said, okay. Do you mind if I see it? He said, yeah, sure. I said, where's the weed at? And he's like, it's down right beside me. I said, okay, is it in its original dispensary container? He's like, no, it's not. And I was like, all right, hand it to me real quick. So you're like, grab right here, hand it to me, the bag's right here on the front. So I'm looking at it expired 10/31/20 or 10/1/22. So I'm trying to check the dispensary right now.
You got a scale?
Yeah, it's in the back in my my little tub.
Copy in Harris Groceries. Florida, Quebec Hotel, Yankee, Sierra 15, using flying at 15 for Honda.
Yeah, 27. I mean, you can do it yourself here in a little bit. But anyways, is he expired or what? Alright, sounds good. Do a face research and you want to secure him?
Yeah.
You're not going to us later or after we do the face research?
After we do face research. No, just him. Hey, Shawn.
Yes, sir.
Do you mind stepping out for me, buddy?
Yeah, no problem.
Just put your phone and wallet on top of the car.
Yes, sir.
You got anything that's gonna poke me, stick me, jam me,
No, sir.
anything like that? All right, lock your fingers around the back of your head for me. I'll pass you down real quick, make sure you don't have any weapons, all right? What's that in your pocket right here?
It's my key.
Okay. Keys and stuff right here? All right. We'll shake your pants out, all right? All right, go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. All right, right now you're being detained, okay?
Okay.
Just hang tight.
Alright.
So just don't lock up on you and get any tighter, okay?
Yes, sir.
Go on that side?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything else in the car besides that what you handed me?
No, sir.
Okay.
I'm being honest with you.
Okay, I appreciate that. So we're gonna do a probable cause search just because of the weed and the
Yes, sir.
marijuana smell in the car.
That's understandable.
Okay, so you don't have anything else in the car,
No, sir.
like you were telling me.
I promise you.
Okay. Okay, go ahead and take a seat for me.
Yep.
Watch your noggin.
Yes, sir. Hey, my phone's still on the top of my car.
Okay, no worries.
Thanks.
You got enough air back there? A little warm? Okay, give me 1 second. How much was it when you weighed it?
27.
27?
Back, they went back to this,
Okay. Where'd you put it at? Oh, you put it in my car. Okay. I was wondering why it smelled so bad in my car. I was like, dang. His wife's car. Yeah.
So is he a baby carrier?
That's what it looks like. You got kids, don't you?
It's been a while since they were babies. That's Rich Corey. He's doing the extra detail thing. So he's just doing strictly traffic. Two licenses. Saying what he was doing.
Going to his friend's house. Almost.
Go ahead.
Got prop money. Alright.
Sure it's prop money?
Yeah, I'm positive. It says copy money.
Oh, okay. So I'm sure no real money in there.
No, that's why I just flipped through it a second.
Whoops. This is prop.
God, breaking bands, bro. Breaking bands.
This stop ended with the driver arrested for possession of marijuana, over 20 grams. After officers found an expired medical card and nearly 30 grams in a plastic baggie. If you enjoyed this body cam breakdown, watch the video playing right here in the center right now and find out what happens when you think you're smarter than law enforcement. Subscribe to Police Action Cam and hit the notification bell.